All right, kindergarten, you are going to have your math workbook out and you're going to turn to page 187. 187. And again, you can find that at the bottom of the page, 187, right? All right, when you are on that page, we are going to talk about things that are alike and things that are different, okay? So what do we know about things that are alike? They could be the same color. They could be the same size, right? They could have the same amount of holes. They could have the same amount of sides if it's a shape. And things that are different. What do we know about different? Different could be different colors, different size, different shape, altogether different objects, right? So let's look at these pictures up here, these groups of 3. We are going to ring the objects that are alike, right? Because that highlighted word there says alike. So that means things that look or are the same. So looking at a cherry, a bug, a ladybug, and another cherry. Which ones are alike? And it says ring them, so we're going to circle the ones that are alike. And you're right, the cherry and the cherry. Good. Next, let's go over to the butterflies because we're just going to look left to right like we do when we are reading a book. Oh, what are alike? They are all butterflies, right? So should we circle all of them because they are all butterflies? Or are we looking at what is more alike about them? 2 are more alike than the other, right? Yes, 2 are the same size and 1 is bigger. So we have 2 small ones and 1 bigger one. So we're going to circle the ones that are most alike. Looking at these soccer balls next. Oh, very much like the butterflies. They are all 3 the same soccer balls, but they are different sizes. 2 are the same size and 1 is different. So we are going to circle the 2 that are the same size. Yep, circle that one and then circle that one. Good. We're going to do this whole page together. All right, next we have what are alike? Banana, corn, banana. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? The bananas are the same. So we're going to circle those. Those are alike. Looking at the buttons, now we have all 3 R buttons. That is what is alike about them, right? But 2 are more alike than the other. The other is different than the whole group, right? The one that is different is the color red. And we have 2 that are alike and they are green. So let's circle them. Good. Over here, what shapes do we have? 4 equal sides. That makes it a square. And then we have another square with 4 equal sides. And then we have a shape with 3 sides and 3 corners, and that makes it a triangle. So what I want to say is that there is something alike about them, and they are all shapes, right? That's alike. But what is different about them, they're all not the same shape. But I do see 2 that are alike, and I'm going to circle the ones that are alike in this group. And that is the squares. Good job. Down here it says mark an X on the object that is different, right? Different. So this time we are doing the opposite of what we did up here in group 5. We're going to be putting an X on the ones that are different. So I see all 3 are flowers. That's what's alike about them. Which one is different than the majority? Right. This one is different. And the yellow flowers are small, and they're both yellow, so that makes them alike. Let's look over at the crowns. I see purple, purple, red. 2 are alike, and 1 is different. So I'm going to X the different. I see shapes again. 3 sides, 3 points. It's a triangle. And then I see a circle and a triangle. What's alike about them, they are all 3 shapes. Which one is different? The circle. Oh, I see shapes over here. They're all green. They're all shapes. That's the same about them or alike. And one is very different because it is a circle and two are squares. Looking at the hats, I see 3 hats. That's alike. Which one is a different hat than the others? The cowboy hat. I see fruits and vegetables, and they're all orange. But which one is different? There are 2 the same, and one is different. You're right. Good. Let's turn to the next page. All right, we are on page 188 now. You turn the page. It says mark an X on the object in each row that does not belong. This one we're not going to do all together watching this video, but I'm going to start the first one and you are going to finish the whole page on your own. All right, so it says mark an X on the object in each row that does not belong. So in this first row, I see a row of a boy, a goose, or a duck, a girl, and another boy. So I'm noticing that majority of these objects or people, and one is very different. And they want me to put an X on the one that does not belong. So I want you to go through 8, 9, and 10 and put an X on the one that does not belong in that row. All right, kindergarten? And then you're finished with math. Good job today.